Hi children, this is your Kalpana teacher. Children, today we are going to do one more activity. In this activity we can take some metals and we add acid to the metals. Then how it changes, the metal changes with acid, it produces hydrogen gas. So how it changes we can observe. In our daily life we use so many metals, right children? So for this activity we are collecting some metals like iron, zinc, magnesium, copper and aluminium. These metals we collect small pieces. We are going to do this activity. See children, for this activity I am taking 5 test tubes and in these test tubes I am taking metal pieces. In each test tube I am taking metals. In the first test tube I am taking aluminium. In the second test tube I am taking copper. In third test tube I am taking iron. In fourth test tube magnesium. And the last test tube zinc. I am taking hydrochloric acid in each test tube. After taking the metal pieces in each test tube, I am taking hydrochloric acid in each test tube. See children, aluminium copper does not change with hydrochloric acid. Iron also it does not change. But whereas I am taking in hydrochloric acid in magnesium, it immediately changes and it gives bubbles and it produces one gas. Zinc also it immediately changes and it produces one gas. That gas is called hydrogen. Whereas aluminium, copper, ferrous, it does not change with hydrochloric acid. Aluminium slowly it changes, but whereas magnesium and zinc pieces it changes immediately and it produces hydrogen gas. Copper does not change with hydrochloric acid. Observe children carefully. Some metals reacts with acids immediately. Some metals slowly reacts with acids. Here magnesium and zinc releases hydrogen gas immediately. Children, I am taking a matchstick with hydrogen gas. It gives pop sound. Always burning splinter gives pop sound with hydrogen gas. So when matchstick or burning splinter gives pop sound means it indicates that hydrogen gas is liberated.
Get it real close.
Children, now understood the activity? From previous activity what we understood? When metals reacts with acids and it produces hydrogen gas. Some metals reacts with acids and it produces hydrogen gas. Henry Cavendish, an Italian scientist, discovered this hydrogen gas. A colorless gas is called hydrogen. Thank you children.